Ooh, homemade apple cider. Okay, let's start with 4 apples, 6 cups of hot water. Then I'm gonna add 2/3 cups of brown and white sugar. After that, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then I'm gonna mix it up all while over medium heat. Then I'm gonna drop in 2 cinnamon sticks and a little raggedy wedge of lemon. I didn't have any orange, so using what we got. Then I'm gonna put in a dash of nutmeg. And once my apples get soft, I'm gonna remove those cinnamon sticks and let them keep on cooking, keep on mixing. Then I'm gonna mash them, mash them like it's a blender. See that? That's what we want. Then I'm gonna mix it up and I'm gonna turn it up on high a little bit so it starts boiling. As soon as it starts boiling, turn it off. Take it out the heat. Then I'm gonna strain it. Then I strained it back and forth until I got as much of the apple out of there. And then boom, here we go. Nice fresh cup of homemade apple cider. And if you're feeling a little fancy, drop your little whiskey in there, a little tequila or something. But boom, there you go. Tis the season to make your own apple cider.